Good afternoon. Today we will get to know how to choose a turnstile. Turnstiles are installed at security desks, governmental facilities, schools, banks, hospitals, universities, sports and entertainment centres. Turnstiles regulate the stream of people, control exit and entrance, protect from unauthorised persons access. A wide variety of turnstiles is presented on the security market. These are compact tripod turnstiles, box turnstiles, elegant speed gates, full-height turnstiles and swing gates. We will answer several questions in order to select the right variant of a turnstile. Where, on which site a turnstile is planned to be installed, which tasks it has to complete. Is it an autonomous device or part of the access control system? The first selection criteria: mounting location. Nowadays, business centres and banks impose high demands on design and comfort. The solution is installation of stainless steel and tempered glass speed gates that have quite wide walkways for comfortable pass, or classic stainless steel box turnstiles. It is possible to upgrade turnstiles by adding automatic glass panels for wheelchair access and passage with baggage. Stream of people at industrial plants is higher throughout the working day. So the turnstile has to provide high throughput and improved reliability. Box turnstiles and tripods can do that. Box turnstiles form a passage area when mounted in a row. It is necessary to add railing systems to tripods. Full-height rotor turnstiles block the whole height of the passage area and are usually installed at specially protected sites. Schools, hospitals, governmental facilities are often limited on a budget. Besides, the turnstile installation site is usually small, so it is reasonable to choose a compact tripod. The entrance to stadiums, amusement parks, water parks is often located outside. It is necessary to choose all-weather turnstiles for open-air installation. The second selection criteria: requirements imposed on passage area arrangement. It is necessary to not only prevent an unauthorized person passage, but also to provide the possibility of the escape route arrangement in case of emergency. The essential requirement: an instant passage clear for the unhindered escape. This can be achieved in a number of different ways. It is better to choose a turnstile that provides with wide passage area when the device is switched off or has an alarm signal option. For instance, this can be done by speed gates or motorized swing gates. Turnstile with anti-panic barrier arms or key override control function will be enough for the small facility. Anti-panic barrier arms can be both automatic and mechanical. Automatic anti-panic barrier arms fall in vertical position when receiving an alarm signal or shut-off. In this way, clear the passageway without the need to use the key or tools. Full-height gates are often installed for emergency purposes as an addition to full-height rotor turnstiles when it is necessary to organize reliable protection from unauthorized passage and enhance the security. Throughput and passage width are important factors when choosing a turnstile. The throughput is calculated according to peak load at the guard desk. The passage width affects on convenience and comfort. For instance, tripod has a passage width of 500 to 600 millimeters and throughput 30 persons per minute. The speed gate has a passage width of 650 to 900 millimeters depending on the panel size and throughput 60 persons per minute. Next selection criteria: providing correct level of security. In most cases, it is enough to install waist-height turnstile. Tripods, box turnstiles, speed gates, but sensitive facilities require increased security. That can be achieved with full-height turnstiles. They not only just fully block the passage, but can also work in lock chamber mode. Installation of a canopy will protect from climbing over the turnstile. All turnstiles must give access privileges for one person, not allowing passing one after another using one ID card. One more important selection criteria: way of operating. If your guard desk is quite small, let's say an entrance to a medical center, then you can install a turnstile that works autonomously, and the security guard will choose operating modes using remote control device. But in this case, there is a human factor aspect that is not taken into account. Visitor can persuade guard to let him in without the ID card. Most of the time, turnstiles work as a part of the access control system or a ticketing system. Premises are equipped both with turnstiles and access control equipment, readers and controllers. It is possible to choose turnstiles that have built-in readers or have options for installing it. It simplifies an installation process and doesn't affect the design of premises. But the most favorable variant, IP style, the complete access control system, a turnstile with built-in controller and readers, or even a card capture reader. In addition, it is reasonable to pay attention to low 1224 voltage of the product that ensures safety, smoothness of barrier arms rotation, bi-directional passage option. Let's summarize. Tripod turnstiles. Cross-functional, time-tested model that has a compact housing. Tripod turnstiles are installed at schools, hospitals, museums, amusement parks, fitness centers. Box turnstiles are installed for intensive operation at the guard desks of the production plants. Classic design of the box turnstiles allows to use them in business centers and banks. Speed gates are designed for VIP entrances in business centers, offices and banks that have to be more comfortable and stylish. Full-height rotor turnstiles are used at these specially protected sites like factories, sports stadiums, seaports. IP styles, ready for service access control system, controller and 2 readers are built in the turnstile post. There could also be a card capture reader.